Gum Gum was excited. She was going for her first swim. Brap! Grum! Said her family, who were excited too. Gum Gum's snout touched the water and whoosh! The river rushed all around her. Gum Gum paddled her feet and swished her tail. Look, Papa, I'm swimming. Look! Papa, Papa. Gum Gum looked in front and looked behind. She looked to the right and then to the left. Papa! She was alone. Her family had swum off without her. An otter floated past. Have you seen my family, Mr. Otter? Asked Gum Gum. No, but I've seen a lot of stars, said the otter. Would you like to see some? Maybe next time. Thanks, said Gum Gum. Just then, "Broft! Rap!" It was her family. Gum Gum giggled happily and swam towards the sound. Suddenly, a dolphin leapt up in front of her. Do you know where my family is, Miss Dolphin? Asked Gum Gum. No, but I do know where the yummiest fish are, said the dolphin. Would you like to eat one? Maybe next time. Thanks, said Gum Gum.